starter relay assembly manufactured by ICE Marine with OEM 6E5-81950-00-00 is a high-quality 12-volt electrical relay for Yamaha outboards ranging from 115 horsepower to 225 horsepower. Compatible with both two-stroke and four-stroke models, ensuring reliable starter operation and consistent electrical system performance. It fits engines including 115, 130, 150, 175, 200, and 225 horsepower from around 1991 to 2006 plus, and replaces part numbers 6, E5-81950-0006E5-8195B-01 and aftermarket equivalents like Sierra 18-65450, providing a dependable replacement. Built from durable marine-grade materials, it withstands harsh marine environments and operating temperatures up to 105 degrees Celsius, with a plug pattern connector for easy plug-and-play installation without modification. Available through ICE Marine at iceboatparts.com, by email at seller@icemarine.cc, or WhatsApp at +8 869 6646 8632.